the case has been tampered with. The doctor who was not only in the kidney racket but some other case of Lalit Patil in the drug scam was recommended by a representative of the Legislative Assembly who belongs to the NCP. And he reached the police station even before the accused and other witnesses could be brought. Now we realize that right from the beginning, the family of the minor son, as well as the political leader and the police, are handing law in tampering and watching this case.
Yes.
Now look at the MLA reaches the police station, takes care to see that the boy is not sent for a medical checkup till 11 o'clock. That is 8 hours. Number one. Number two, even if the boy is sent to the medical hospital for blood test, he makes sure that his contacts or somebody else's contacts through a ward boy of the mob tampers with the two doctors, and namely Dr. Taude is a favorite of this MLA whom he recommended for a posting and whom he knew was involved in crime earlier. Thirdly, the father tries to replace the driver of the car by replacing him with his own driver. They kidnap him when he does not agree. So there are all attempts being made by the family, rich and the famous, as well as the powerful political leader. And one senior political leader made a statement that a large number of public representatives called them for help. But why did not any one of them go to the victim's family? Why did they not go to the hospital to take care of the victim? Why did they not go to the spot where the accident took place to see that everything is in order? Why did the senior political leader not send his own security people who are with him to go to the police station to see that nothing wrong has taken place? He made a statement that I called the commissioner to tell him that and everything should be done properly. But in spite of this, if things go wrong, obviously that statement made by the political leader is not exactly correct. So obviously, Arnab, this is a pot boiler in which the entire criminal administration system...
No, it is showing that... It is showing one more thing.
Every bit of it is tampered with.
No, as has been put out by Tikam of Pune News, even the head of the Juvenile Justice Board is a tainted man. His name is some L. Dhanwade. Now, L. Dhanwade, according to Pune News, served as superintendent of an SOS children's village in Raigad, where a minor girl student tragically committed suicide during his tenure. I'm reading from Pune News. Despite criticism and suspension from the organization, he was recommended by senior officials in the Women and Child Development Commissionerate for the Child Welfare Committee in Pune. After his term there, he was quickly appointed to the Juvenile Justice Board. Now, this man in the Juvenile Justice Board, Murari Tiwari, I want to tell you, he granted bail unilaterally within 30 minutes. He did not seek the input of the Chief Magistrate and the second appointed member, K.T. Thorat.
Or now it was because the existing law is as such that whenever a juvenile is arrested, he is supposed to be released on bail, and it is a matter of law. That is why he was released. At that stage, it might not be a situation that the situation has been covered up. And in case of boy...
Arnab, shall I add something? Arnab, with your permission, shall I add something here?
He is supposed to be...
No, let him complete. Let him complete, Satishji, and let him complete, Satishji and Tikam.
Now, even till date, the law is existing that when a juvenile is arrested, then he is supposed to be released. And there was nothing fault with the juvenile board or IO or investigating officer.
Sir, I disagree.
But the question is that when there was a cover up, and then this situation came later on. Otherwise, the law is as such.
Sir,
no, I don't agree. I don't agree.
It is not true.
Tikam.
Arnab, can I add something here, Arnab?
Tikam once.
Yeah, sir, you need to understand the sections which were invoked here. One of the important section was 304, and under 304, the imprisonment is up to 10 years. So it was the duty of my lordship to see this section and to ensure that a custody under juvenile home is to be given to police, which has not happened on the very first day.
Arnab, I'm
So
sorry, even if
Justice
this 304 is
says
invoked,
that the
even
person
in
needs
that
to
case,
leave immediately
juvenile
half
is
an hour.
No, no, no,
supposed to
let's-
be-
The fact, then why he was taken into
Satish
custody
Maneshinde is
second
also coming in. Yes, Satish.
Juvenile is supposed to be
Justice
released
Act,
on bail,
Section
even
15
in
of
case
Juvenile
304 is
Justice Act
also invoked.
has three portions in relation to offences. One is a minor offence, petty offence. One is a serious offence. The third one is a heinous offence. In case of petty offences, he could be released on bail. In case of serious offences and heinous offences, the Juvenile Justice Board has to make a preliminary assessment under Section 15 of the Juvenile Justice Act, and after assessing the child
That's
or
true,
the
but
person
that's true,
before
but
whom
that's true, but
before
you know,
whom he
No, no,
Praveen, it
no,
was
no, no.
an accident
The
case.
other-
assessment
That is why he was